Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare Roll20 free and paid. Roll20 is a popular platform for playing tabletop RPGs like Dungeons and Dragons and over 1,200 other game systems directly in your browser. The free version already gives you access to a huge library of adventures, character sheets, dice, tokens, and automation tools to make gameplay smoother. You don't need to download anything, set up hosting, or pay to start. Just create an account, pick your game, and start playing. It's great for beginners and experienced players alike, with tutorials and an easy setup for solo play or group sessions. On the other hand, the paid plans unlock extra features that can enhance your experience. The Plus plan costs $5.99 per month, or $49.99 per year. The Pro plan is $9.99 per month, or $99.99 per year. And the Elite plan is $4.99 per month, or $149.99 per year. Paid tiers give you more storage, dynamic lighting, and advanced automation, and access to exclusive assets and tools, which can make running campaigns smoother, especially for game masters managing complex adventures. Overall, in 2026, the free plan is enough if you're just playing casual or experimenting with tabletop RPGs. The Plus, Pro, or Elite plans are worth paying for if you run large campaigns, want advanced features, or need extra assets and automation. For most players, the paid plan adds real value, but the free version is still very capable and definitely not a scam. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.